Hey, Ambitches, it's me, your fearless leader, Kata motherfucking Boyd. Okay, so I haven't been here in a hot minute. I have been working on a lot of things for Ambitchious Academy and my app and my signature health program, A28P. And I just wanted to come on here today because I wanted to say a couple things. All right, so the first thing I want to say is, I don't know about you. I'm just going to say it. I don't know about you, but was anyone's inbox on their email so full of shit with people who you have not heard from since the Reagan administration, trying to sell you their jankety bullshit products for like a tenth of the price or half of the price or a fourth of the price or whatever people were selling? And they have not showed up and given you any service, any value, any entertainment, any inspiration, no one's been empowering anyone. No one's been giving any services. No one's been speaking victory into anyone. They just want to email you, and you come on social media and you see everybody just selling their wares like it is a goddamn flea market up in this bitch. And I am freaking sick of it. And, you know, I have business coached thousands and thousands of women over my 20 plus year career. And I have coached tens of thousands of women to be ambitious and take their lives to the next level. And if you have worked with me, you know that the biggest thing I always say is give more service and more value and show up and entertain people and educate them and empower them and motivate them and speak victory into them and inspire them. And if you do that, you will never in a million years have a money issue. Okay. But if you haven't noticed, all of these people who are just looking to wrap up their Q4 and make it chef's kiss and make some, last minute money to pay the tax man, they're not offering you anything of substance. And I got so disgusted. I was looking through my email inbox because I chose for Ambitchious not to participate in Black Friday or Small Business Saturday or Cyber Monday or Lube Me Up whatever day or, Tweak My Nipples Wednesday, or I don't even know what the hell that these people were doing. I chose not to participate because I just think it's icky. I just think it's gross. And listen, I know that everyone has to make a buck. I know that everyone desires to be abundant and wealthy and all that kind of stuff. But there is a way to do it, people. There is a way to show up and serve and sell the proper way. Okay? So if you're taking offense to this because you were one of the people in my inbox trying to sell me your, rubber underwear for $9.99, please unfollow me here, unsubscribe to my emails, get the fuck off my app. I don't give a fuck, okay? I am here to say that if you desire to take your business to the next level, it's not the way to do that, okay? But I will tell you how to sell. And I will tell you how to show up for your ideal clients. You guys know I'm not a fan of social media. I don't like it. It feels like one big sales video, and it is not into it. Okay. That's why I started my own app. If you desire to go on my app, the Ambitchious app, just go to the link in my bio. And, that's where we have like the real conversations, and that's where the real shit's going on. But I wanted to come on here and I just wanted to like kind of vent a little bit. So I just got that off my big old double G chest. Okay. G for ginormous. And I want to invite each and every one of you and everyone you can freaking invite your mama, your sister, your best friend, your colleagues. You can invite the cat down the street as long as she's got a vagina. You can invite people that you don't like that maybe you want me to fuck up because that's what I'm good at. And for the month of December, I am going to be giving to you all as a gift from my little black heart to you 4 calls, totally free, so complimentary, for the month of December. So we're going to be doing every week's call is going to be a different theme. We're going to be talking about how to make 2023 your bitch. So I'm going to be giving you tools and all kinds of motivational tips. And we're going to be also doing a bitch board, which is actually what I call in Ambitchious land a vision board. And I'm going to be having you guys getting your vision boards together. And then at the end of the month, we're going to have a bitch board, a vision board party. And this is totally free of charge. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and sign up for my app, the Ambitchious app on Mighty Networks, and we will get you situated. We will start emailing you, and you will have a heads up of all of the dates and times that we're going to be having our calls, okay? So if you're like, oh my God, this is so much value. I mean, my time is very valuable. Not that yours is not, but I know what my time is worth. And this is thousands of dollars of free coaching and free training just because you guys have been so loyal to me. You guys have stuck by me for so long through all of my craziness, through all my bitchiness, through all of my temper tantrums, and you're still here. And I want to thank you. So get on over to the link in my bio and sign up for the free month of calls. And you're going to get a taste of what it's like to get education in Ambitchious land, whether it's doing my signature health program and wellness program, A28P, which is a 28-day total detox in every way, shape, and form, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, energetically, the whole 9 yards. Or you choose to do Ambitchious Academy, which is our signature lifestyle program. And I have an absolutely incredible offer for Ambitchious Academy. And I'm not going to let it out yet, but I'm going to tell you, a lot of you are going to jizz in your pants when you find out what Ambitchious Academy is going to be like in 2023. So my gift to each and every one of you and all your friends and all your colleagues and coworkers and people that you love and know, bring them over for the month of free calls in Ambitchious land on the Ambitchious app. Go to the link in my bio and sign up. And maybe for some of you that are here that did not sell, like okay, hold on. I'm going to just vent for a second. I actually saw a girl that I used to coach, and she was like, I didn't sell anything for Black Friday or whatever it's called. I don't even know because I don't participate in this 3-dimensional bullshit. And I was just like, wait a minute. First of all, I haven't seen you since like Bill Clinton was like spanking his shit on like Monica Lewinsky's blue dress. And now all of a sudden you want people to pay you for your services and you don't serve, you don't show up, you don't give value, you don't motivate people, you don't entertain them, you don't educate them, you literally bring nothing to the table and you're upset that you didn't sell anything for Cyber Friday or whatever the fuck it's called, or Black Friday, or Tweak My Nipples Tuesday. Come on, guys, like get your shit together, all right? Listen, I'm a rich bitch, I'm abundant AF. I've also worked for the last 20 plus years to become this person. I think people forget that I've been in this game, that I've been serving and giving value like this since 1999. And people come to me and they're just like, I want to, be you. And I'm like, dude, be you. Just learn from me. Take things that I teach and adopt them as your own. I don't care. That's why I show up here. And this is why I do what I do, because the more women, and men for that matter, but the more women that step into their power and really truly want to live an ambitious life, like our world will change. So if you're not happy with the way that the world is, change yourself first. And if we all do that work, we will go to the next level. Okay. But if you're sad because you didn't sell anything on Tweak Your Nipples Tuesday, probably because you don't do shit for anyone for free or give them value or give them service or do anything. Zero. If you guys talk to any of my clients, and I know some of you guys are here, thank you so much for showing up and listening to me, because you probably are sick of my voice because you hear it all the time on the Ambitchious app and on our weekly calls and everything. But if you ask anyone, like, I give more than I ever tell people that I'm giving them. Like, I underpromise and I overdeliver. That is called being a real businesswoman. So many of you want money, but you don't want to do the things that it takes to get people to open their pockets for you. And by you sending out a bunch of crappy, shitty emails that have no punctuation, everything is spelt wrong, there's no service, there's no value, there's nothing, and you want me to give you my hard-earned money, you're going to have to do better than that, honey. Okay? You're going to have to do better than that. I had a person that emailed me literally like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And at the end of like the month, like the Sunday and the Monday emails was literally begging for sales. And I was like, oh my God, why would I pay you 75% off for a service that 2 weeks ago I just paid 100% for? That doesn't make sense. Stop discounting your rates and give free service from the goodness of your heart, and give people a little taste of what working with you is like. And then guess what? You will be a rich bitch. But until that day, shut up and stop showing up when it's convenient, because the 3-dimensional matrix says if you own a business, you have to do a freaking Freaky Friday, Suck Me Saturday, Sunday sexuality, and a Monday whatever the mukbang. I don't even know what you people are doing. I literally do not know. It's so icky. It's so like low vibe. And like I said, if you don't like what I'm saying, bye. Like, you know, I'm triggering you right now because I am right. I'm pissing you off because you were probably one of the people that were trying to sell me rubber underwear for the last 4 days when I haven't heard from your ass for over a year. Okay? But this bitch just shows up on her app every day and speaks victory into people from all across the globe and helps people like live their best life and does all these things. And guess what? I get paid in direct proportion of the value that I give to the world. Okay? And when you show up and you give so much service and so much love and so much light and so much value to the world, you will also be rich. Okay? So I know that this is kind of like a non sequitur. One thing doesn't really have to do with the other, but I wanted just to come on here and vent because I'm just over it. And then I obviously, you know, because I'm nice sometimes, I wanted to invite you guys to a whole entire month of totally free calls, free coaching with me. Okay, so if you've always dreamt of coaching with me, this is your time. Go to the link in my bio, sign up for my Ambitchious app, and we will give you directions from there for the calls in December. Right now, off the top of my head, I will tell you that the calls are going to be December 5th, which is a Monday at 7 p.m. It's going to be December 14th, which is a Wednesday at 7 p.m. It's going to be Thursday, 12/22 at 7 p.m. And then our big grand finale call is going to be right before the new year, Wednesday, 12/28 at 7 p.m. And that's going to be our big bitch board making video. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to properly put your bitch board or your vision board together so that you can put that board up wherever you see it all the time, and you can start truly stepping into your ambitious life. Okay. In the meantime, if you don't like what I have to say, I really just don't give a flying fuck. I love you though. I do. I really do. I will see you over on the Ambitchious app. In the meantime, start telling all of your party people what's up in December and get them over so that they can also participate in this incredible opportunity of me giving you free shit, unlike other people that were trying to rape and pillage you with all of their weird deals for the last week. Thank you and good night. And in the meantime, don't forget to stay ambitious. Love you guys.